Hey everyone, today I want to share some simple but powerful secrets to recovering faster after a hip replacement, straight from Dinesh Physiotherapy in Eurupakam Selayur Tambaram. First off, let me tell you, recovery isn't a race. It's all about taking steady, confident steps, literally. Dinesh and his team start with basic movements, like ankle pumps and gentle knee bends, right from your bed. These help keep your blood flowing and prevent stiffness. Next, when you're ready to stand, use a walker or support. Don't rush this step. Focus on your posture, stand tall, engage your core, and keep your steps small. Every little move matters. Dinesh always says, listen to your body. If you feel pain, ease up. If you're tired, rest. But don't skip your exercises. Consistency is key, even if it's just a few minutes, a few times a day. As you get stronger, you can add more challenging moves, like side leg lifts and gentle stretches. These help you regain balance and strength. And guess what? A little patience goes a long way. Finally, surround yourself with support. Friends, family, or a great physio like Dinesh can lift your spirits and keep you motivated. So, take those small steps with confidence, follow your physiotherapist's advice, and trust the process. You'll be moving better and feeling better before you know it. Stay positive and keep moving forward, one step at a time.